Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this super cute idea of making the miniature guitar along with the flower decoration, and I have converted this into fridge magnet so you can gift it to the music lovers, or you can decorate your fridge, your walls with this super cute gift. And isn't it looking like a wooden made guitar? But trust me, this is handmade using paper. So without any delay, let's get started. So here I'm taking cardboard piece which is 4.5 by 12 centimeters, and I have just drawn left side of the guitar shape on the paper. From the center part I have divided in 6 centimeters to create the bottom of the guitar. Now we have to just fold the shape from center like this and cut both the layers together to create the guitar shape using scissors, so that we will have same design on both the sides, just like the symmetrical pattern. Then taking one 300 GSM white color cardstock and sticking this design on the white cardstock or white sheet. Then I will just trim the design and it should look like this. After that I am sticking one more guitar shape only from bottom, which I have colored using black acrylic color from one side. So I am covering the bottom portion like this. And then to create our guitar dimensional, here I am creating some coils using paper quilling strips. So for that I am taking here 1/8 strip of peach color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. You can use any color here because anyways we are going to color the guitar later. So whatever shade you have left with, you can use those strips. Now from the edge I am going to cover the guitar shape using these tight coils one by one. Here I have used 3 mm strips, but if you want the deeper depth, you can use 5 mm strips or 7 mm strips as well. So just continuing the row of coils like this around the edge. So this is completely covered and looking nice. Now keeping it aside, till that time I have created one more base shape with the same pattern, and in the center I have just drawn one small circle using 1 centimeter radius. So I'm just cutting this center circle using my paper cutter. And it should look like this. Then top of my base guitar I am sticking this top layer of the guitar. So basic guitar shape is ready. Then it's time to color it. So to give it natural look of the guitar, that is the wooden look, here I am using dark brown acrylic color. But it's all up to you. If you want to make it colorful, you can use whatever color you like, whatever shade you like. So just coloring it from front, from back, from everywhere using the same shade. and in the center part I am coloring with black acrylic color till the circular shape. So this is ready, allow it to dry. Then on both the sides I am sticking 3 tight coils which are same as we created for the dimension, that is made using 1/8 strip of peach color in 3 mm. So 3 I am connecting on left side and 3 tight coils I am connecting on right side. So it will work like the key to tighten the strings. Then in the bottom I am adding one piece of black color cardstock. Then on the top I am adding this M shape which I have cut on white cardstock and colored using brown acrylic color. But before that I am sticking 2 white color strips horizontally. And then on top of this I am adding M shape pattern. Then it's time to stick the strings. So to create the strings here I am using white color thread. This is a normal cotton thread, and in total I am going to add 6 strings. So here I have added 6 strings. Then on top of this, in the bottom, I am adding one more piece of brown color cardstock to secure all the strings nicely. Also on the top I am adding one more yellow color cardstock strip. And after drying I will just chop the extra threads from bottom. And after cutting the threads, our guitar is completely ready. It's looking absolutely stunning, just like the ready-made one, isn't it? Nice and finished from all the sides. Then it's time to decorate our super cute guitar with paper quilling strips. So here I am taking 1/4 strip of orange color in 1 mm and making one tight leaf shape. Then joining total 6 petals together and making the flower. Then to create the center of the flower, I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 1 mm, making one tight coil and sticking it on top of the flower. But before that I am applying glue on each petal to make it sturdy and strong, and then I will stick the center. So flower is ready. Now just for little more finishing, I am adding one yellow color diamond exactly in the center. Similarly, I have prepared one more flower, and after drying you can just push it on your palm to make it 3D. So we need 2 these type of flowers. Now to create small filler flowers, here I am taking 1/8 strip of pink color in 1 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Just joining total 5 petals together to create the flower. Adding glue, spread it nicely with brush. And on top I am adding one tight coil which is made using 1/4 strip of peach color in 1 mm. Again in the center I am adding one pink color stone. And this is ready. Similarly I have prepared 3 more, so in total we need 4 flowers. And again after drying you can push it on your palm to make it 3D. So this is done. Now to create leaf, here I am taking 1/8 strip of sap green color and making one small leaf shape. With the similar way I have prepared lots of leaves. Then taking back my guitar, and it's time to decorate the guitar from 2 corners using the flowers and leaves. Then here I am taking Fevicryl 3D outliner in gold color and just adding few drops here and there. Like this, and this is completely ready. Now it's time to attach the magnet on back side. So using P7000 glue I am connecting strong magnet. I like to dry for a few minutes, and our super cute decorative guitar is completely ready. You can use this guitar on greeting card as well. It will look nice, and you can decorate your wall, you can decorate your fridge or any metal almirah. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.